So today, I want to talk to you about my strategic plan. I have collaborated with the team on this, and we have tossed ideas back and forth, and I've refined the plan based on it. But I take ownership for this. I take accountability for it. I will always take responsibility and accountability for something I do. I take responsibility for this plan. If there's any mistakes, it's my fault. If you find something that's terribly wrong with it, it's my fault. You can blame me for it. So let's start with what I think is really important for this strategic plan. First, I think we need clear vision and we need trusted leadership. I hope I can provide both. We need a solid and a pragmatic business plan. We can't have any foo-foo nonsense. We can't have any marketing buzzwords, etc. We need hardcore, solid, pragmatic business plan. That's what you're going to see here today. We need a transition plan from the loose core team we have right now to a community managed DAO that is officially represented as a government entity. We need that ASAP because the only way to build trust is to ensure that the community plays an active role in this, and a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, is the way to do that. We also need to secure operating capital through at least quarter 2, 2024, with a plan to extend beyond. There is no way that the protocol can exist long term unless there are people actively working on it and handling the operations of it, handling the marketing of it, handling the growth of it, handling the business development of it over time. So 9 months from now, that's 9 to 12 months from now is needed. We cannot not have that. There's a lot of people here in the community who stepped up and supported the protocol financially and also as a community, showing up at events, creating videos, etc. That's a community. That's vibrant. That's alive. That's great. We need to make sure that everyone who's contributed has a fair and balanced incentive model. Because you stepped up early, you should have a fair and balanced incentive model. And finally, we need to make sure that the features that we build into this protocol are sustainable and they're backed by analysis and hard data. They can't just be like, well, that seems like a good idea, let's put it in. No, that's not the way you create world-class protocols. That's the way you fail. So we're not going to let that happen. So these are the elements of the strategic plan I'm going to talk about.